Good morning. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's education 22 years. Today, we're going to address a really important issue. This is the 8 danger zones that beginners have. This is to either teens or adults. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Number 1, driver inexperience. It takes up to 10 years to truly learn how to drive, to recognize black ice, fog, heavy rains, and snow. Don't be overconfident with your teen's ability to drive. It takes a lot of time. Number 2, driving with teen passengers. For every teen that's in the car, it's about 33 to 45% times 1. So it's really important that you control the number of teens that are in the car. We've all been teens. We slap each other in the face. We point to different things. We are distracted. Teens in the car are a dangerous combination. Number 3, nighttime driving. Many states have a graduated license rule where they restrict teens from driving, say from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. There's a reason why. Make sure your teen is following the graduated license rule. Number 4, not using a seatbelt. It seems very simple, but teens are dying because they're being ejected from the car. If you don't do anything else, make sure your teen puts on his or her seatbelt. Next, distracted driving. Cars are full of distractions. There are smartphones, there are smart cars. Your car is synced with your phone. Control the amount of distractions in the car. Next, number 6, drowsy driving. It's really important that you have a focus on your driving and that you stay alert. Number 7, reckless driving. I got a phone call a couple of weeks ago from one of our former clients who said their son was out of control driving. I told them, take the license. Last one, impaired driving. Teens are driving under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Control them. If this brought you value, subscribe to my channel. I do driving tutorials. Thank you.